Namaste, Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, respected ma'am and my dear friends. I am Shivansh from pre-primary 2A. Today, I am going to tell you all a story. My story name is Greedy Dog. Once upon a time, there was a dog. He was very hungry. He searched for food everywhere. At last, he found a bone. He picked the bone with his mouth and started going back to his home. There was a bridge on the way to his home. While crossing, he saw his own reflection in the water. He thought there was another dog with a bone. He wanted to get that bone also. He started barking. When he opened his mouth, bone fell down in the water. Greedy dog lost its bone and became sad. So, moral of the story is never be greedy.